One of the general managers?
Mm-hmm.
Like the regional manager?
Yeah.
What? One of the general managers?
Mm-hmm.
Like the regional manager?
Yeah.
Manager?
Mm-hmm.
Like the regional manager?
Yeah.
What? No. He hit us.
Yeah.
He definitely hit us. Oh no. We're gonna get that license plate.
Go ahead, girl. Yep, him right there.
We're gonna get that license plate.
Go ahead, girl. Yep, him right there.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Look at that! Oh man!
Oh my goodness.
Did they get pulled over?
What mile marker are
Do you
we?
want to?
What mile marker are we?
We just passed 161 on 64. So it's just like it's the eastbound.
In life and in this NFL game and everything that goes around it, every level of success you have, there's different devils, and the first time that they'll go through this, and I mean, there's so many avenues without participating in, but yeah, it's definitely something that you have to be very close.
And Brad, you remember Bill Parcells used to always say, just good people, right? So
that's why she sent it to me first, to make sure everything is on it.
In the country, the IRS is making it easier than ever to settle tax problems for those who owe more than $10,000.
From December 29th of 1953.
And one of us has to open it for Bill.
Well, all right, but... Jerry!
Those were gunshots.
They came from the corridor.
Come on, Ben. Has many plans for the cold winter weekend ahead. Plans that include an
Are you kidding me?
Okay. Hold on. Tell me you got that Tundra. Tell me. That's him. You got him. I will laugh. I will laugh. That's the promise I make. I'm going to laugh. Tundra, 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 please the tundra. Yeah! Yes!
Because that's what Democrats have been saying ever since Russiagate. Oh, fuck. There's no room for any kind of nuance. The official Democrat Party line is that we have to fight Russia overseas using Ukraine as a